I see money, we got them on this, Jack. No faking. Hey, yo, BG, that drive this bitch crazy, man. You driving this bitch crazy. Slow this bitch down. Nah, don't slow this motherfucker down. Fuck it. We ain't stopping for them bitches, no. Hey, stop this shit. All that capping, screaming, you know faking, boy, you not this shit. How you around here talking about gon' get us, ain't gotta pop the piss in. Switch on this Glock, brother, never switch. Before I ever switch on gang.
She about to be tryna fuck up on me, yeah. But baby, you know this shit cause I be tryna fuck with a G, yeah. Smoothie nigga, you know, ain't no other nigga compare. I got the drip on my body, you know that they jogging soon as I fall off. I'm on top and rapping like a Kawasaki. After costing me go, she get out of body. The way that I blow, you know I'm the hottest. I guess that's why I be the trending top. Bitch, you dig on and get good in the round. If a nigga get on in the shot, I'ma call it. Ain't no crossing laws with me, cause if you cross me, I blow your face off. I ride around with gang up in this bitch, no, we gon' take off. Niggas mad about they hoe, cause they be true. I can't help that, dog. I don't try with this shit, I'm cut like this hoe, I'm a big dog. Bitches bone. Nigga get out of line, I'm hitting them with the chrome. Yeah, told them, but they still watching, I don't know what they on.
Welcome back. It's your boy Shadow 392. I'm back with another video. And as you can see, my cousin tearing up my shit. He trying to part my shit out.
I'm getting you right, man. I'm getting you right, man. Getting you right.
But now I'm getting my stars put in my headliner. You know how that process go. You know, like a little DIY project. Yeah, I got my cousin Great Ghost TV help me out.
Man, once I start video, they got to come follow you, boy, man.
Yeah. Yeah, subscribe to my boy. Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy. He got the clean 101 RTY body over here. But I can't show you the back. Someone hit him. It ain't too bad. Someone wasn't paying attention yesterday, hit him. And cuz, what you gonna have the nerve to tell you? Did I hit you?
Did I hit you?
The fuck you think?
What you thought?
But yeah.
Man, just getting the headline out.
Got a little bit of a process, y'all. Get back with y'all when we had the headliner completely out the car. All right, y'all, after several hours poking holes and getting these fibers running through here, we finally getting it back in the car. It's been a long ass day.
Yeah.
And we still not even done yet, for real.
I'm about to map this right here.
For anybody that want to do some starters, it's not an easy task. I'm gonna let y'all know this now.
No, it is not.
It is a headache for real.
It ain't for the week.
It definitely ain't for the week.
I don't think them. It's just them clips probably.
All right, you two, we got these damn stars in. Still working on the headliner. I got some help.
There you go.
See, look, it needed D-Ray to it.
Yeah, it's all
I got help from my boy D-Ray over here.
Look at
Holy
them.
spirit in there, man.
Hey, I ain't doing this shit no more.
I
Motherfucker better pay me $400 million. Trey, that's your ass.
I love you too, cuz.
Man, this shit ain't worth it.
I mean,
Don't hit me up by no damn stars. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it.
I know this might
I ain't
got.
gonna do it. My last one.
I know his ass got something to say. I know Uncle D-Ray got something to say. Look at my flashlight.
I ain't even finna cut these dirty bastards.
You gonna make Trey come.
This bitch don't even work.
Well, some of them ain't gonna work. No, real talk. Some
Nah,
of them.
play that bitch work.
Some of them might not.
Do you have anything you like to say, D-Ray? You looking like you want to say some shit. Go ahead.
I don't call you no more.
See that? Hey, listen. Now, next time get them going here, getting that bed rubbing them feet
You gotta pull
together.
that thing down too.
Yeah.
That boy is crazy.
Yeah. I said, damn.
Hold on, cuz hit it one more time. Hit that no Nate J.
No, that J and that motherfucker got the. Got the goddamn stars in that motherfucker. Huh? The motherfucker looking like that.
Nah, y'all finna see hella.
It ain't
Hold on.
got my bowl of goddamn ice cream.
What'd you say, cuz? What'd you say?
Goddamn bowl of ice cream, chocolate at that, and a chocolate cupcake on top of that.
Oh yeah.
Every
I
night
know you be shitting first
at the same time.
How am I fucking up your routine? Alright, YouTube. So as you can tell, I finally got my stars put in the ceiling, and these just look so good. I'm telling the truth. Folks have been telling me to get some stars put in my ceiling, and I've been putting it off, but I finally got them put in. 10 out of 10. Shout out to my cousin Rock Kids, aka Great Ghost TV. He helped me out. Like, comment, and subscribe. This was just a little short video, short DIY. Shadow 392 out.
I took a shot on the same day. My daddy told me about the nigga. In my fault I'm being fake. I heard every nigga saying I just don't know how to escape it. Like I run with all the rats and go get slimed out by the snake. Keep it real, I don't know, bro. We ain't beefing, they just hate. We just had a talk with me. I heard my soul, they died. You supposed to be right here. I'm mad as fuck. You let me die. How about shit for all my ain't